Big Hero 6 is the greatest movie I ever seen in my life. 1. The animation looks very fluid and solid as well as the astonishing visual effects. 2. It keeps an acceptable grasp on its source material, with changes that actually make sense such as Sunfire and Silver Samurai not being members, because they are mutants and Disney didn't have the rights for X-Men characters at the time. 3. The characters are very likable, especially the main character, Hero. Many characters could also be good role models to children and teenagers. 4. The voice actors do very well, as their characters and their talents aren't wasted. 5. Lots of funny moments and funny lines, such as, when Baymax is on low battery, and Hero tells him to tell Aunt Gus that they were at school the whole day and he says we jumped out a window, and when he's in Hero's room petting a cat and saying Harry, baby. Harry baby. 6. The plot twists are very surprising. 7. The action scenes are a hook to watch, especially with the climax between Caliban and the main characters. 8. Lots of emotional and touching scenes, such as when Tadashi dies, and when Baymax shows Hero a video about Tadashi testing Baymax. 9. The soundtrack and score by Henry Jackman are excellently dazzling, especially the song Immortals by Fall Out Boy, which is quite catchy. 10. The characters' costume designs are awesome and have great and creative superpowers to go along with them. 11. The scene where Hero teaches Baymax what a fist bump is has become a popular moment in the film. 12. San Francisco is an interesting idea and also has a creative design to it, mixing Japanese and Californian elements with a touch of futuristic technology. And 13. Its message on being grateful for what you have is powerful. Thank God I watched already that movie in the past. Let me see the rating. 90% people like this movie. Wow, great. That's a high rating. Now, that's the end of this salute video. I will see you next time on the next salute video. End of salute.